from the time I know you, I know there's a spiritual side to you as well. And I don't know why I think that that also has a role to play in the way you have sort of achieved the things that you've achieved so far. And at such a young age, you were also awarded the 30 under 30 marketers by Exchange for Media. And there are several achievements basically that you've had across different organizations and even institutes that you were a part of. So, what has your spiritual journey been like, and how do you think it sort of got intertwined with your professional journey as well?
So I was introduced in 2007 by my sister, who actually was introduced by her friend. And Nichiren Buddhism is a philosophy which is more about happiness of oneself and others. And as a kid in class 7, I used to get participate in a lot of activities there in dance and singing, which obviously been very like I've enjoyed doing that. But at that platform, I was like very excited. And then the aspect of Nichiren Buddhism is that challenges will come across in life wherever you go. Personal, professional, health, financial, whatever it is, family related, relationship related. But develop that strong inner self to face those challenges. Rather than getting bowed down by those challenges, fight them on. And I feel that mindset at a very young age, when you have those experiences of people who are facing those challenges, and this is it's a philosophy, it is not a religion. So when you're chanting in front of, when you're chanting Namya Horengekyo, which we chant, and which gives you strength, which gives you hope, which gives you a strong positive feeling that okay, this can happen. And go and fight. So a lot of things happen. Sometimes happen is that we are just procrastinating. Okay, this might, if I do this might happen. If I do this might happen. But through faith, where I've seen myself, that base your prayers, base your dreams on faith, and they will definitely come true. Maybe you can't see it right now, but in life they will definitely come true. So where your imagination ends, faith starts. And I feel as a person, the power of faith, the gratitude and the confidence I have in the faith, that just keep giving your best.